ToyRap, and today I'm here with my friend Ethan. ToyRap. Today we're playing with Little TIKES RC Bumper Cars.
Little TIKES RC Wheels Bumper Cars. So you actually get 2 RC cars in here. And what's cool is that you can play against another person. ToyRap Benjamin is going to start opening this box here.
However you open it.
Maybe Ethan needs a pair of scissors too. Ethan, you need a pair of scissors?
Yeah.
Ethan, it's really cool that you're helping us out with this video today. Because it would be very difficult to play 2-player RC bumper cars and film at the exact same time. You got the remote control here. Let's take a look, okay? So I'm not actually sure what each of these buttons does, but it looks like this turns it on. This goes one way and this goes the other way.
I feel like these are, I feel like this is the turn button. It's the up and down. We're gonna race to 5, and whoever wins gets to open the egg. And then me and Ethan are gonna take turns taking out the stuff and opening it. And introduce this guy's gonna win.
We just stuck the batteries in and some weird turn of events just happened, okay? So it looks like the red controller controls the blue car and the blue controller controls the red car. Okay, let's see how these bumper cars actually work, you guys.
Like bumpy tires. I'm gonna kind of bump into it.
Oh! It does work!
We both lost!
Whoa, you both lost. Okay. So I'm going to give you a little bit more practice before we start the competition. Go, Ben.
Yeah! I'm trying to bump into it.
Are these things easy to control?
Nope.
Nope. Kind of looks like
I'm getting the hang of it. I'm getting the hang of it.
So I just found out that if you hit the other guy's wheels, that's how it ejects the driver. Oh! Tell me when you guys are ready. All right, Ethan, ready?
Yep.
Okay. Ben, you ready?
No! Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, we're ready. Okay, so ToyRap Ethan, I want you over here on this side. Come over here. Ben, no. Stay. Okay, Ben, you're over here. So ToyRap Ethan's gonna be on that side. Ben, you're on that side. When I say go, round 1 begins. Okay, go. Wait, whoa, they can't even meet together. Here we go. Incoming.
No! I did follow the car.
Did you actually eject?
Yeah, I ejected him.
You did?
He did.
Oh, okay, all right. Round 1 for Ben. On your marks. Get set. Go! ToyRap Ethan's going backwards! It's some awesome strategy he's got going here. Then, trying to turn around. Uh-oh, here it comes. Ethan for round 2. Back to your corners. Okay, so it's 1-1, you guys. You guys are tied right now. Okay, are you ready? On your marks. Get set. Go.
Whoa!
Wait a second. What's gonna happen, guys?
Oh! Oh! Oh, yeah!
So that's your second win, right, Ethan?
Yep.
Uh-oh, he's even dabbing already. Can I see your dab, Ben? Okay, so it's 2 for Ethan and 1 for Ben. Okay, on your marks. Get set, go! Pretty straightforward here. Oh! Oh! Ethan ejects himself! Okay, it's 2-2, you guys. That was a quick round.
That was the quickest round that we ever had.
I know.
Ready,
Okay.
set, go.
Ready, set, go. It's 2-2. Look at this, guys. Whoa. You almost hit my shoe.
I don't really.
Bumper cars are going nuts. Where are they going? Where are they going?
That's going wild.
Oh. Okay, Ben has 3, Ethan, you have 2. Come on, Ethan. You gotta come make a comeback here, okay? Okay, look at that, look at that, look at that. Ethan is serious now. On your marks. Get set. Go. Near miss, guys.
Now no one can stop me.
Uh-oh. This is a new strategy, guys. Ethan is just spinning.
Yeah!
He's going for him. He's lining his bumper car up. No! Don't hit the cameraman. Uh-oh. Oh! Almost. Ah! It's gonna happen, guys. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, guys, it's tied up again. 3-3, okay? Whoever gets the 5 first. On your marks. Get set. Go. Uh-oh, Ethan. Oh, near miss, guys. What's gonna happen? Wait! Oh!
Okay, if I get 1 more point, I get to open the egg.
Yeah, okay, so
I'm a dangerous man.
you're at 4. Ben, you're at 3. Are you ready, Ethan?
Yes.
Are you ready, Ben?
Yes.
Go!
Yeah.
Whoa! This is serious, this is serious. Good job, Ethan. Good job. You got to 5 first. And you are our little Tikes bumper car victor. Okay. On your marks. Get set. Go.
Whoa! Get out.
What's inside there? Okay. So wait, hold on. We're gonna do one at a time, okay? Alright, so these are called little green men. And they're blind boxes. They come in a green bag. Just fitting.
It's alive! It's alive! Little green man.
Whoa. That's not a green man.
I call blue man.
It's a blue man.
It's a soldier.
Yeah, it's a soldier.
The opposite of green. He has a pistol and a sword. Has his helmet that has like this guy with these bunch of guns on his head.
Huh. Alright, let's go on for number 2.
So mine.
Ben. Open up inside you, little green man.
Oh, I got 2.
You got 2?
I think you got
Did you get 2 things or just 1 thing in your box?
2.
What? You had another one in there the whole time?
So,
Alright, hold on.
a necklace! It's a doggy keychain or whatever it is.
It's a dog tag
Dog
that
tag?
you can wear around your neck. Yeah. What does it say? Let me see. Oh, it has his name. Okay, so what Ben's gonna open up is called, his name is Private Romeo. Okay, so this is Private Romeo.
I got
Up right now.
What is this?
He's also blue.
I'm a girl. I have a girl.
Oh, it's a girl. Oh, but he has a gun. She has a gun. Okay, so Ethan is going to open up his dog tag.
My little guy.
Let's see, can you read the name on the dog tag?
General Panic.
Ooh, you got a general. Okay, so the next one is Ethan. What's up? This is another little green man.
Please speak.
You know what? We should have read the box because on the box it actually says it includes 1 soldier, 1 dog tag, 1 chain, and a new recruit poster. So we should have read. Dog tag. What does it say?
SGT Major Bravery.
Sergeant Major Bravery. That's going to be his name. Sergeant Major Bravery. It's another blue guy.
Whoa, this guy has snipers.
Oh, it's a girl or guy? No, it's a girl. There's a pigtail? So, yeah. Okay. And he's got 2.
1 star and there's like a little code. 1-. Oh, this is the little poster. This is the little poster.
Oh, that's the poster that comes with. Let's see the poster.
So there's all these blue guys and there's all these green guys. And blue guys.
Oh, that's the team. Okay, so it says right here that there's the blue army.
Green.
Yeah, versus the green army. Let's see the green army.
Look at this bush guy.
Wow, there's a ton of guys that you can get here. We only have 8.
8?
All right, hopefully we get some green ones. Okay.
No, we only have 2. We have 3 now.
Okay, next is yours, Ben. Okay, let's see. Lieutenant Da Bomb.
I'm thinking that's the boy.
Lieutenant Da Bomb. Alright, that's a good name. I like these names.
How I No, I was touching.
Another blue one?
The blue one.
Man, we need some green guys. So this is another blue guy.
We both have a girl and a boy.
He's got some sort of machine gun. The next one is Ethan.
Where's my dog tag?
Please get a green one. Please get a green one. We don't have any green ones yet. It's going to be unfair if we play with these things and they're all blue. Okay, so you got the poster. She tosses away. He's got the dog tag.
Private Carl. He likes private parts of his body.
What? What did you just say?
Maybe he likes private parts of his body. Oh, like private farm penguins of Madagascar?
I don't know what you just said. Green? Please tell me it's a green.
Yeah!
Oh, it's a green guy!
And it looks like my dad who's yelling at him. He's like, la la.
Nice, we finally got a green one. Good job.
He has a grenade.
And he has a, oh, he has a grenade. That's awesome. Benjamin, let's see, what do you got? Please be a green one. Give him our green ones.
Okay, these first. Here's a menu.
Here's a menu. Okay, thank you very much. Jeez, nobody wants the menu.
Who's this? I'll have it.
You want the menu? Okay, you can have the
I
menu.
already got
Okay, this is Corporal Echo. Corporal Echo.
I think it's a guy.
Oh gosh, another blue.
Sorry, man.
Let's see this Corporal Echo guy. Ah, he's cool. He's got like a machine gun going. Ethan, this is your last one? You singing Lion King? Can you do that again? Very nice.
Also made a remix. Jalapeno, I haven't tried it yet.
And the winner is... Captain Quiver.
What? Quiver.
Captain Quiver. Interesting name. All this trash, guys. So much trash.
Here.
And blue. Oh my gosh.
Hey, look at this guy.
Hey, he's got a crossbow.
Just like Chewbacca.
Yeah, exactly. Just like Chewbacca. Very nice.
Oh, this is it. Please, God, please.
Sorry, Benjamin.
Green guy.
Green guy.
How do you know? I want it to be. This guy's in a plane. This guy's in a parachute.
Maybe there's some rare ones.
Oh, and there's also one that's in a parachute tank. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. This is Sergeant Shouts. You gotta be kidding me.
Nope.
Oh my gosh, we got another blue. We only got one green guy out of 8 of them. The last 2 little green men, which are actually blue men. Guys, look at this mess that we created.
Daddy's gonna have to clean that up.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see who it is. This is Captain Voodoo. Oh, Captain Voodoo.
I got some.
Here we go.
Come on, get a blue. Are you serious? Another blue guy.
Come on.
He's a skeleton. Here we go.
He's a skeleton then. Okay. Captain Voodoo. Okay, Ethan, last one goes to you.
General Pain.
General Pain. Oh, that's a good name.
Green.
No. Another green guy. Let's see.
You gotta give me a green. Can you play me a funeral? Thank you for ToyRap videos.
Okay, start over again.
Thank you for. No, I didn't. Thanks for watching the video. Bye. Bye.